kind of potatoes are those?
Purple.
And then how long do they take to grow? Oh, wow. So how do you know if it's ready or not? Do you just take one out and see? Or do you look at the leaves?
About 6 months.
6 months.
Yep.
So you have to like keep track of that. Oh, wow. Oh, and it comes like that. That's how it's packaged. Nice.
Pink. Orange.
Oh, wow.
Look at the color. See the difference? This one is very sweet. This one is healthier for you.
Ah, less starch.
Yep, there's
And
less
then-
starch.
And then I just had to find out,
Peanuts there.
I had to figure out what is a weed and what is a plant. So, oh, like this grass stuff here, this is, you have to take it out, the grass. So I'm learning that.
This is one of them.
Wow. Let's see this pile. Now, can you replant this after you take out the peanuts? Is it from seeds that you grew this or plants?
Yeah, seeds.
From seeds. And the seeds, where do you get the seeds from?
From the US. This is jumbo.
Oh, it's from
Tennessee.
Oh, cool. Look at all those peanuts.